What is the First Lady listening to?
A music from East African old nation. Jesse Jackson is speaking for the GERD, the Great Ethiopian Renaissance Dam. Why? Are you favoring Egypt over Ethiopia? Are they too black for you?
Well, not at all. I am not a racist.
Ethiopia is striving to become a middle-income country, in a short-term plan. Do you think they already achieved it?
They are not there yet.
So, why are you withholding the aid when the country needs our help the most?
I'm avenging myself on Abiy Ahmed for the Nobel Peace Prize 2019.
This is the second time we failed the great people of Ethiopia. The first was when President Carter abandoned them in the hands of the Soviets. Now you are pressing hard unto our faithful ally, to let her remain under poverty, to help the other side. God is watching.
But what Abiy Ahmed did to me, let me tweet it to you.
Wow, handsome and masculine.
Press the play button.
Nobel Peace Prize? Well, I just think that President Moon was very nice when he suggested it.
Mr.
I think I'm going to get a Nobel Prize for a lot of things if they gave it out fairly, which they don't. Prime Minister Abe of Japan gave me the most beautiful copy of a letter that he sent to the people who give out a thing called the Nobel Prize. I am asking them to give you the Nobel Peace Prize. I said thank you. Many other people feel that way too. I'll probably never get it, but that's okay.
I ask another question. He got the Nobel Peace Prize. Okay, think of it. He got the Nobel Peace Prize. So, I mean, just think about it.
This guy got the Nobel Peace Prize, and every time I look, he's going into another country.
And he won the Nobel Peace. Oh, do you know this? Can you believe it? He won the Nobel Peace Prize. They probably will never give it to me, even what I'm doing in Korea and Idlib province and all of these places. They probably will never give it to me. You know why? Because they don't want to.
You deserve the Nobel Prize. Everyone thinks so, but I would never say it.
That's very nice, thank you. That's very nice.
Doesn't mean a thing. I mean, I'm going to tell you about the Nobel Peace Prize. I'll tell you about that. I made a deal. I saved a country. And I just heard that the head of that country is now getting the Nobel Peace Prize for saving the country. What did I have something to do with it? Yeah, but no, that's the way it is. As long as we know, that's all that matters, okay? That's all. I saved a big war. Saved a couple of them.
I'll do to them as they have done to me. I'll pay them back for what they did. That is true story. But it seems you are worried about Ethiopia.
I had a dream, and trying to figure out what it is.
What?
Because you laid your hands on innocent people, your days are numbered, just to a one term. The dam will inevitably be completed.
Come again.
Sad. I am no more the First Lady.